dropped my iPhone in the water in Hawaii, and I was like going around with my iPad, like carrying my iPad around with me everywhere. Receipt that they sent, like our check-in details.
Yes, but if you could send it again to me, because I'm pretty sure it's not clean now.
Okay, let's see. Having such beautiful weather here in California that I feel like I'm just going to be shocked when I get to London, because I am not used to the cold weather. So you already know I'm going to be packing lots of layers and lots of winter coats. 1 week until I leave for London. I feel like it either goes by really quickly or it goes by really slow. It's almost like time slows down when you know you have a vacation or upcoming trip. Also at the same time, I've been so busy that I but haven't had time to think about it too much. I kind of wanted to go to the store today just to get some basic travel things knocked out of the way, like travel size shampoo, toothpaste. I really want to be conscious of my luggage because I am packing a lot of heavier winter things. I want to make sure that if there are any other things that I could make lighter or bring smaller things of that I do that. T-minus 3-4 days before I leave for my flight to London. Definitely wanted this to be more of like my journey and really document and detail everything, more so for myself as well, just because I really enjoy vlogging and looking back on my videos from past trips. It just really takes me back to the exact time and place. So these vlogs are really special, not just to put on my YouTube channel, but for me personally to have these memories. And I feel like some of the best parts of a trip is all the preparation that goes into it, the planning, the packing, the going to the airport. So if you don't like all of this stuff, then maybe this vlog isn't for you. Feel free to skip ahead to when I am out there in London. So swinging over, I have all this laundry that I'm doing, and I have this huge suitcase that my mom was gracious enough to lend to me for the trip. So I do have a normal suitcase from Calpac, but trust me when I say this is like one of the jumbo large suitcases. So I'm actually going to start packing a lot of the clothes that I want to bring, which works out anyway because I live in California, so the clothing that I'm wearing right now is for warmer weather. I'm not going to have to worry about pulling certain pieces out of my luggage to wear it this week. Everything that I'm bringing is going to stay in this luggage. So I still have to change the tag on here to my own address. Whoa. Normally I would bring like a mixture of full-sized and travel size, but again, because everything in here is like sweaters, coats, I know that's going to take up a lot of room. So I just got like all the travel sized hair products, lotions, a lint roller. So I was going through my scarves and I found this scarf that still has the tags attached. I've had this for like 2 or 3 years now from Aerie, and I love how chunky and thick it is, but it is also really, really warm. So I'm nervous that, I don't know, it would be too much. So I think I'm gonna have to leave it behind, but this is the progress so far. Very neat and organized. I have 2 scarves, so we should be good there. And I feel like I pretty much have almost everything done. I'm just waiting for these bodysuits to dry. And yeah, this is what I need. I need some extra room, extra wiggle room. The rest of the bodysuits will go there. And then I want to throw in a very light puffer jacket, but the good thing about the puffers is they don't take up that much room. So looking good. Just want to make sure I have everything. I have Tylenol, vitamin C, hair dryer is there, curler, yes, brush, hair ties, my claw clip, outlet converter, my camera battery, my iPad, MacBook, my chargers, portable battery, my GoPro, AirPods. I have hand sanitizer. Time to say a prayer. I hope that this isn't over 40 or 50 pounds. I can't remember which it is. Hopefully it's not over. Otherwise, I can swap things out to my carry-on. And I am wearing like my heaviest coat right there. Whew, as excited as I am to go, I'm also really sad that I'm leaving this weather because it's 80 degrees out right now. Lift made for like dwarves. Whoa, are we going up? Oh my gosh, we totally just got to our Airbnb or hotel, whatever you want to call it. And I feel like this is amazing. It actually feels better than what I saw online. Whoa. Chef's kiss. Okay, wait, this is actually so beautiful, and like the way the lighting is coming into the room right now is so magical. Ooh, we're spoiled with this room. Wow. I am shocked. Thank goodness there's a hair dryer that I asked for.
What? Or is there an iron too?
There should be. They said we can request one and they'll run it up. Run it up. Like, what are your first impressions? Does it feel like you're not here still?
A little, yeah, because I'm just so, like, out of it.
Yeah.
I feel like we're, like, so... You know when, like, you're so tired and, like, you're so...
We were kind of that way our first time in Paris.
Right? I feel like we were, like, just...
Oh my gosh. So Beth and I are exhausted, but it's our first night and we haven't eaten dinner yet, so we're going to go walk around our area just to see what kind of food places there are, and hopefully we get lucky and we get seated somewhere because it is a Saturday night in London. Okay, let's see how these fit. I feel like this is the perfect night to give them a trial run. Dang, I'm decked in all black, girl.
You really are.
I feel like the Matrix right now.
You said the Matrix.
Okay, I'm going with the all black fit with these boots that are Sam Edelman and my Abercrombie leather trousers and my Aritzia bodysuit. Hi, let's go to our dinner.
Wait, we don't have it. Oh, yeah, we don't have it.
Yeah, we're good. That's the best part. But we do need to worry about this lift.
Emily in Paris.
Look at how cute the fits are. We're styling in London. Like, the lighting is good everywhere except our room. Cheers! Okay, I got shepherd's pie, fish fish and chips. So good. So dark in here. Okay, this is one of my favorite things about Europe is when they give mayonnaise.
Really?
Yeah, I love mayonnaise. I love that they put the lemon there. I've been waiting for this meal for hours. Yeah, just put it down there. How do you want to split this?
Whenever you're done eating.
No, you need to eat it.
Whenever you're done eating, I might eat this.
I think I can split it in half. Yeah. Can I? Ooh, that's kind of hard.
That one's done.
Just take bites whenever you want. It is so cold. Okay, it's not that cold. It's just the wind. But we just got done with dinner at the Ivy. It was 10. It was a 10 out of 10 stars. Just your average London night double-decker bus. And we're walking back to our apartment hotel.